Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss how to download Microsoft SQL Server. So on Google search download SQL Server, which will navigate you to this page. Then come down and download Express Edition. So Express is a free edition that you can download and install. So now double click on SQL Server installation setup and click basic installation and read the terms in agreement, accept it, and choose the installation location and then click install. We'll come back after it is done. Okay, so our setup has reached at this level. Now it's installing the SQL Server. So let's wait and come back after some time. Okay, it took quite a while time and our installation is completed. Now we need to install SSMS. So SSMS is SQL Server Management Studio. By using that, we can connect to SQL Server and write our files. So we need to install this as well. Okay, let's install this IDE. Download SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so this setup is being downloaded. We'll wait for some time and come back. Okay, now our setup got downloaded. Let's open it. Click yes and click install. Yeah, this will install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio along with Azure Data Studio. All right, so our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is installed. So let's close this and search for Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. Open it. Okay, so by default, it has installed the server with my system name. So it has done the Windows authentication, Windows installation, which will have no password. So just click connect. Okay, so right, our SQL Server installation has been completed. So next we need to we need to add sample databases, or we can go ahead and create our own databases. So that's it for this video. We'll meet next time. Thank you.